Aj ki is video mine hum EKA's powerful, aggressive our luxury filled off-road beast co-explore carne whale hain. G's decked high opka pella reaction surf ek high hoda hay. Ye koi normal SUV nahi, balki ek attitude our authority ka symbol high. Yahan op jo vehicle deck rehi ho, wo ek metallic deep red color mine chamakti way, desert k beach kadi ek monster SUV high. Jiska design Mercedes G-Series say inspire lagta high, lekin modification our presence itna ziada bold hain ki ye apni ek alag class vanity high. Aj hum is vehicle ko har angle say dekna whale hain, front view, right side, left side, upper drone shot, our interior ka complete experience. Is puri journey mine apko har detail samjai jayagi, taki op is car ki feel ko bilkul real tarike say mesus car sekain. Sabs pella bot cart hain front view key. Jab op is SUV k bilkul somni kade hod ho, to apko sabs pella uska aggressive, boxy, our muscular face nazar auta high. Iska metallic deep red paint sunset key golden roshni mine etna premium lagta high jays vehicle ko kisi showroom style lighting niraka ho. Circular LED headlights bohat high modern halo rings k soth chamak rahi hain. Jo isko ek futuristic our intense look dedi hain. Headlights k beach ek bold front grille positioned high, jism center position ek emblem k liye space clear nazar ar rahi high, jo G-Wagon inspired design co-defined cardi high. Front bumper heavy duty off-road style ka high, jo body k soth seamlessly blend hoda hay. Niche lage metal mesh, toe hooks our bumper case central area me mounted LED light bar puri vehicle key personality ko next level pay lajata high. Ye light bar off-road night driving k liye design kia gaya hoda hay, jo powerful flood illumination provide karta high. Front say niche ki tariff deco to ye SUV uchi suspension k soth kadi nazar ati high, jis ground clearance bohat high milta high. Tires extremely wide our deep tread pattern whale hain. Jo sand dunes, rocks, mud our extreme off-road terrains k liye perfect benai gay hain. Desert k is soft sand track me tire marks clearly visible hain. Jo dikata high ki ye vehicle surf display k liye nahi, balki real off-road battles k liye tear ki gay high. Sunset key soft orange light body panel par fall ho car ek cinematic shadow create car rahi high, jo vehicle ko heroic presence dedi high. A flat hum chaltine iska right side view key tariff. Side say dekna par sabs prominent feature iska extra wide stance high. Fender flares bulky our muscular design k soth tires co cover cart hue ek wild off-road presence create cart hain. Body k panel par metallic red color key reflections bohat high crisp our mirror clean nazar ati hain, jo is SUV key paint quality our finishing co clearly highlight cart hain. Door panels straight lines our sharp edges k soth G class inspired architecture co follow cart hain, lekin modifications vehicle co our be sporty our aggressive benete hain. Side mirrors sunset light co reflect cart hue ek premium shine de rehi hod hain. Suspension system visibly lifted high, jiski waja say op side say high samaj sakti ho ki ye car ground say kidney high baithi high. Desert background is view ko ek cinematic depth deta high, jays ye SUV kisi Hollywood off-road action movie ka hero ho. Left side view bilkul similar strength our attitude k soth auta high, lekin ISS angle say sun key direction k hisab say jo highlights body pay fall hodi hain. Wo vehicle k curves our edges ko our ziada dramatic vanity hain. Left side k tire sand mine partially sink hot hue, natural off-road interaction dikat hain. Apko pura vehicle ek strong shadow cast karta wa nazar auta high, jo golden hour key lighting co perfectly complement karta high. Door handles, window trims our metal panels k textures bohat high clean our. High resolution field deet hain. Jisyi clearly samaj auta high ki ye ek high end, fully detailed automotive render high. Apko is angle say overall proportionality our geometry bohat accurately nazar ati high, straight roofline, boxy cabin, rugged wheel arches, our bold stance, sab milkar ek visually stunning presence benete hain. A flat bot cart hain top view key, johum vehicle ka ek completely different personality show karta high. Aerial drone shot say op decked ho ki SUV cot pure rooftop design kitna thoughtfully crafted high. Roof par ek powerful LED light bar mounted high. Jo off-road night driving mine long range illumination provide car to high. Roof surface smooth, matte reflection K soft premium look data high. Hood K lines top say bohot clearly visible hain. Muscular creases our symmetric design Jo pura front structure co ek dominating appearance dedi hain. Tires as angle say our ziada wide nazar ot hain. Our op unka tread design co detail say deck pot hain. Desert K patterns aerial shot mine bohot high beautiful lagti hain. Soft sand waves, chahote bushes our long shadows as vehicle co ek perfect adventure setting mine place car deet hain. Drone perspective say ye SUV ek miniature tank jisi lagti high Jo kissy b terrain co conquer car sakti high. A flat chalt hain sabs immersive part key tariff, interior view. J's high op cabin K and R ot hain. To sabs pella apco ek luxurious yet sporty environment feel hoda hay. Cabin mine premium black leather seats d way hain. Jinka par red stitching unhay ek stylish contrast dedi high. Dashboard modern our fully digital instrument cluster K soth auto high. Jism speed, navigation our vehicle info bohot crisp display hodi high. Ambient lighting cabin K and R ek soft glow create car to high. Jo especially sunset K warm light K soth milkar bohot high premium atmosphere banata high. Steering wheel thick grip design K soft sporty feel deta high. Jism metallic accents our control buttons integrated hain. Center console ek bada touchscreen display carry car to high. Jahan say navigation, media control our off-road settings access key jati hain. Chrome finish, metallic detailing, leather textures our stitching sab milkar cabin co ek first class lounge key feeling deet hain. Cabin K windshield say apco desert ka golden sunset deek to high. Jo pour interior co naturally illuminate car to high. Door panels be leather finishing, metallic inserts our premium buttons K soth ek elegant look rocked hain. Seats comfortable our supportive design K soth long off-road journeys K lie perfect benai gay hain. Interior key silence our refinement is but ka proof high key ye SUV luxury our hardcore off-road capability dono ka perfect combination high. Aj humni ISS vehicle ko har angle say dekha. Front say USKA aggressive face. Right our left side say USKI bold stance. Top say USKI rugged structure. Our interior say USKI luxury feel. Ye SUV ek perfect blend high design, power, toughness our premium craftsmanship ka. Chahe op is desert mi chalao, mountains mi lajao, ya city roads mi, ye vehicle hard jaga ek iconic presence create cardi high. Agar apco is type key off-road luxury SUVs our unka cinematic renders pasand hain. To is channel ko subscribe karain, video ko like karain, our niche comment kark batayan ki agla model konsa dekna chahenge. Aj k liye eatna high, milt hain next video mi ek our powerful machine k soth. Aj ki iss video mine hum apko lakar chaln whale hain ek's off-road monster k paas, jiska design, presence our power deck car lagta high j's kissy luxury brand nay wilderness ko conquer carne ka phase la car lia ho. Desert k beach, sham k whacked, jab siraj deer nich ya raha hoda hay. Our hard cheese par golden light ki ek soft, magical layer feljati high, tab ye vehicle opni. Pure san se kata hoda hay. Metallic red color mine chamakta wa, sharp lines, bold stance our powerful off-road DNA lakar. Ye SUV kissy professional photoshoot ka hissa nahi lagti, ye lagti high j's kissy cinematic Hollywood adventure film ka hero. Sabs pella agar op is vehicle ko bilkul front se dekt ho. To sabs striking element jo dikta high wo high iska bold our muscular face. Is car ka boxy structure igna iconic our recognizable high key op door say high iski presence ko mesus car sakti ho. Circular LED headlights apni bright halo rings k soth apko ek modern, futuristic look dedi hain. Ye halo rings surf illumination k liye nahi, ye ek attitude statement hain. Headlights K beach center grill matte black finish K soth car key aggressiveness ko our highlight cardi high. Grill K beach hum ek clean, centered emblem space decked hain jo overall symmetry ko maintain rock to high. Front bumper heavy duty off-road styling K soth design Kia Gaia high. Op deck sakti ho ki bumper par dono sides par metal mesh our reinforcement plates d way hain, jo car ko ek rugged our purposeful look dedi hain. Bumper k bilkul center me LED light bar mounted high, jo agar op kabi riad me kisi off road trail par ho, to literally pour a rasta din ki tara bright car sakti high. Ye light bar powerful white illumination throw karta high, jo fog, dust our dune surfing k whacked bohat kam ata high. Front sain each key tariff ot high op notice cart ho key tires unusually wide our extremely deep tread pattern k soft design key gay hain. Ye tires normal SUVs whale nahi, ye specially off-road terrain k liye benai gay high traction tires hain. Jab op unhay dian say decked ho, to unka grooves our rubber texture mine detailing bilkul real life jays lagti high. Desert k soft sand par in tires key grip our aggression clearly visible high. Card key suspension bohat uchi rocky gay high, jis ground clearance impressive banjata high. Is lighting condition mine, sunset key soft orange glow car k red metallic paint ko ek glass like reflection dedi high. Har angle par, har curve par, roshni alag tara fall hodi high, jis ye SUV har second me ek naya expression dikati high. A flat hum deer move cart hain right side view key tariff. Side say dekna par gadi ka wide stance sabs ziada notice hoda hay. Fender flares bohat high bulky our sculpted design k soft tires co cover cart hain. Side panels par metallic red paint ek premium gloss k soft chamak raha hoda hay, jism sunset key light beautifully reflect hodi high. Door line straight, bold our defined rocky gay high, jo poor vehicle ko ek tough structural identity dedi high. Window trims black finish me hain jo red color k soth ek perfect contrast create cart hain. Right side view say op roof mounted LED light bar ko be clearly deck sakti ho. Ye light bar roof par ek strong and practical presence deta high. Off-road enthusiasts k liye ye ek must have feature hoda hay, Kayunki night trails, Dunsya mountains me ye long range visibility deta high. Side mirrors be premium black housing k soth chamak rehi hod hain. Mirror ka reflective surface sunset k soft tones ko capture kartawa ek subtle shine deta high. Side say dekna par apko tires key size our stance ka real scale pata chalta high. Ye machine bilkul road ko dominate karne walla feel dedi high. Desert background key smooth dunes, door talk stretched horizon our fading sunlight is view ko porous cinematic vanity hain. A flat chalt hain left side view key tariff. Ye angle apko gadi key structure symmetry ko ziada clearly dekna ka maka deta high. Left side par sunlight thodi side angle say ati way vehicle k metal surface par dramatic highlights create karti high. Body k curves our edges is roshni ki waja say ziada sharply define hot. Hain, tires key shadow sand surface par ek beautiful pattern vanity high, J's vehicle kisi photoshoot k liye perfect moment miruki ho. Left side say op door handles k chrome shine, window glass k sharp reflections, our wheel arches key muscular geometry ko bohat clearly notice car sakti ho. Cart key overall body proportions bohat perfect lagti hain, neither too long, nor too short. Ek compact yet powerful stance rockti high, jo off-road me stability our control maintain karne k liye ideal hodi high. A flat hum seedhi chaltine hain top view key tariff, G's op ek drone shot key tara imagine car sakti hain. A par say dekna par gadi ek military grade off-road tank jisi lagti high. Roof surface smooth our clean design k soft metallic reflections show karta high. Roof mounted LED bar a par say our ziada prominent dikai dedi high. Hood par jo strong muscular lines hain, wo aerial perspective me our clearly noticeable hojati hain. Drone view me op deck sakti ho key tires body width say toda bahar tak extend hod hain, giving it a wide and stable footprint. Desert k dunes aerial shot me bohat aesthetically pleasing patterns benete hain. Soft winds key waja say bani sand waves, long shadows, our bright golden highlights, ye sab milkar vehicle ko ek art piece key tara showcase cart hain. Our ab hum ot hain interior view key tariff, Jahan say apko iss SUV key real luxury feel hodi high. Cabin k and r enter cart high sabs pella op premium black leather seats decked ho, jinka par red stitching ek sporty accent at carti high. Seat design ergonomic our comfortable bana wahai, jolong off-road journeys k liye perfect hota hai. Dashboard full digital instrument cluster k soth auto high, jism navigation, vehicle info, speed data our off-road mode indicators bohat sharp our high contrast display card hain. Ambient lighting cabin k and rek subtle glow create cardi high, jo especially sham k whacked bohat premium feel dedi high. Steering wheel thick grip design k soth, leather wrapping our metallic inserts k combination me ek luxury sport look dedi high. Steering k center me chrome outline our side buttons placement bohat modern feel carvate hain. Center console ek large touchscreen system k soth auto high, jism navigation, media controls, climate controls, our vehicle settings integrated hodi hain. Door panels high quality leather our smooth metallic trims k soth ek stylish look create cart hain. AC vents circular design me hain jo dashboard k flow k soth perfectly match hod hain. Cabin k beach say desert ka sunset visible hoda hay, jo natural light k soth interior ko enhance carta high. Interior ka overall feel bilkul calm, premium our powerful hoda hay. Ye SUV ek perfect balance create cardi high luxury our rugged capability ka. Ek tara say ye car surf shalti nahi, apni presence say environment ko define cardi high. Is pori video mi humni is vehicle ko har angle say dekha. Front say aggressive monster, side say powerful warrior, top say strategic beast, our interior say first class luxury cabin. Ye SUV ek machine nahi, ek complete experience lagdi high. Off-road lovers k liye ye ek dream build ho sakti high. Agar apko is tara k cinematic automotive breakdowns pasand at hain, to video ko like zaror karain, channel ko subscribe karain, our comments me batayan ki next kiss model ka breakdown dekna chahenj. Aj k liye ba idna high, milt hain next video me ek our powerful machine k soth.